Okay, the last three problems in this section ask you to solve problems that involve the difference quotient, which gives you the average rate of change for a function. So if you ever take a calculus class in college, you'll probably have to do difference quotient. We're going to do it just on a small level, but then when you see it again, hopefully it'll come to mind. So this is the formula for the difference quotient. I'll give you that formula. What will happen then is we will give you a function. So let's say f of x equals 2x plus 7. And I want you to find the average rate of change for this function. Well, to do that, I need both f of x plus h and I need f of x. I've got f of x. It's 2x plus 7. So now I need to find f of x plus h. And the way that I do that is I just take the function, 2x plus 7, but where x is, I replace that with x plus h, and I simplify it. So instead of 2 times x plus 7, it becomes 2 times x plus h plus 7. That's what f of x plus h looks like. You just put x plus h where x was. Now I'm going to simplify this. 2 times x plus h plus 7 would be 2x plus 2h plus 7. So now I can do the difference quotient. I have to do f of x plus h minus f of x and divide by h. So it's 2x plus 2h plus 7, 2x plus 2h plus 7 minus f of x, which is 2x plus 7 divided by h. And that's where now it's where your algebra skills come in. You just have to simplify this. So the top becomes 2x plus 2h plus 7 minus 2x and minus 7 because it's subtracting both 2x and 7 divided by h. The 2x's cancel. I have a 2x and a minus 2x. The 7's cancel. I have a 7 and a minus 7. So I end up with 2h divided by h. So my answer is 2. The average rate of change for this function is 2. All right, I'm going to pause it. I'm going to write one that's a little bit more difficult, like the last one in this section. All right, now we're going to do one that's a little bit more difficult. What if f of x is x squared plus 5, and we have to do the difference quotient to find the average rate of change? So if this is f of x, then f of x plus h would be x plus h squared plus 5. X plus h squared would be, I got to do distributive property here, or FOIL. X times x is x squared. My outers and my inners would make plus 2xh, and my last would be plus h squared plus 5. So that's what I get for f of x plus h. So now I'm just going to plug it into this difference quotient. I need f of x plus h, so that's x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus 5 minus f of x, so minus x squared plus 5, and then divide by h. So that'd be x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus 5 minus x squared and minus 5, because there's a minus in front of this parentheses, it applies to both, divided by h. The x squares cancel, the 5's cancel. I get 2xh plus h squared over h. So when I divide both of these by h, 2xh, when I divide that by h, it's just 2x. And h squared, when I divide that by h, it's just h. And that's my answer. The average rate of change for this function is 2x plus h.